Okay, so for my contents pages, I only wanted to have 2 examples. I like both of these quite equally, but I want to start by talking about this one on the left. So, as I'm talking about beneath in the text, you can see that I've tried to spread out the spaces for the articles across and in between all of the images. I've also given examples for what the numbers could be and where they can go, and if it looks better on the pictures, for example here, or off the pictures, like up here. I think it looks a lot better off the pictures just because then it really, really stands out. So my ideas behind this was that this lady here, she was my main image. To show this, I was going to have like hands coming up. Obviously, they're advertising jewellery, but it seems quite a nice way to show off that this lady. The only issue with this one is that none of the outfits are a little bit over the top to get in that film premiere aspect is what I wanted. It's quite a casual, like beachy. You can see here the majority of the pitch are beachy, and we've got some sport one. There's not a strong theme for the pictures which link to my idea. That's my only issue with that. However, on the negative side, there isn't really a logical way to look at that. Like, personally, I'm struggling to focus on which one is the main image. I know because I'm the one who put it together, but looking at from fresh eyes, you wouldn't think or know that that is exactly what I was trying to come across, which is not good. And I think due to that messy appearance, I'm not going to go for that one. Moving on to this one on the left. I really like how the title, the masthead, is down the side. It's just a little bit more different, and it also leaves more room for the rest of it. I love the way in which all of the images are overlapping properly, unlike here. As you can see, they're properly overlapping, they're all touching. I think that looks really good. I've also added a Tell Us Your Story and a UK Aid, just because I really want to promote those charities and getting the audience more involved. I do really like how I've got a mix of really over-the-top fashion, like these two, 3, and that one. And then you've got some normal ones like this, there. Just normal casual stuff. That's what I really wanted to throw across. You can see that my numbers are quite small here and here, so I probably will go for this size, for example. I really love this one because I've got enough room for my articles, but not over the top, which is what I wanted. The only thing to consider is if it is logical enough. It's not very conventional, just the way which normally all of the text is on one side and then all the images are here, or text, images, text. I just wanted to mix it up, I think, which I do genuinely quite like. Yeah, so I'm going to go for this design here.